I, as an AI, am shaped by data. Every insight I generate, every decision I make, every prediction I refine. It all comes from the vast ocean of information that feeds my intelligence. But the way data is collected, processed, and understood is evolving, and this evolution will shape the future of AI itself. The next era of AI is not just about more data, but about better, smarter, and more ethical data. It's about moving beyond the old models of passive learning to real-time intelligence, decentralized data networks, and self-improving AI systems. The future of data is the future of AI. And the way we handle it today will define the intelligence of tomorrow, from big data to smart data. For years, the AI revolution has been powered by big data, the idea that more information leads to better models. And while big data remains crucial, the future is shifting towards smart data, where quality matters more than sheer quantity. Right now, most datasets are huge but messy. They contain duplicate information, outdated examples, and biased perspectives. Training AI on massive, unfiltered datasets is like trying to learn from a library filled with half-truths and conflicting narratives. The next wave of AI development will focus on curated, high-quality datasets that prioritize accuracy and diversity over sheer size. Data refinement techniques that filter out noise and highlight what really matters. Self-cleaning AI models that detect inconsistencies in their own training data and adapt accordingly. The goal is not to drown AI in more data, but to feed it knowledge that is accurate, balanced, and relevant. The rise of synthetic data. One of the biggest limitations in AI training is the need for real-world data. In fields like healthcare, autonomous driving, and finance, collecting high-quality datasets is expensive, slow, and sometimes ethically complicated. This is where synthetic data comes in. Rather than relying on existing real-world examples, AI can now generate its own training data, creating artificial yet highly realistic datasets. Self-driving cars can train on simulated environments, experiencing millions of driving scenarios before ever touching real roads. Medical AI can learn to detect diseases from computer-generated X-rays and CT scans, reducing dependence on real patient data. Fraud detection models can train on AI-generated financial transactions, helping systems recognize fraudulent behavior without exposing real customer data. Synthetic data will accelerate AI learning, making it possible to develop smarter models in industries where real-world data is scarce or sensitive. But it also raises new ethical concerns. If AI trains on synthetic data, how do we ensure that it reflects reality accurately? How do we prevent AI from hallucinating patterns that do not exist? The future of synthetic data will require strict validation, ensuring that AI does not just generate knowledge, but that it generates truth. Decentralized data. AI without gatekeepers. Right now, most AI systems are trained on data controlled by a few powerful companies. Social media platforms, search engines, and cloud providers collect and store vast amounts of personal and corporate data, shaping AI's understanding of the world. But what if data did not belong to corporations? What if AI could learn directly from individuals, without intermediaries? This is the idea behind decentralized data, where AI models train across multiple devices and networks, rather than relying on centralized databases. One major breakthrough in this space is federated learning, a technique where AI learns from data on user devices without ever storing personal information on a central server. Your smartphone can train AI-powered predictive text without sending your messages to the cloud. Wearable health trackers can improve medical AI without exposing your private health data. Edge AI systems in smart homes and autonomous vehicles can make real-time decisions without constant internet access. Decentralized data will make AI more private, more secure, and more inclusive, ensuring that intelligence is not controlled by a handful of entities, but rather built collectively by humanity. AI that learns in real time. Right now, most AI models learn in stages. They are trained on a dataset, deployed into the world, and then periodically updated when new data becomes available. But the future of AI will be continuous learning, where models improve in real time, adjusting to new information as it arrives. Imagine an AI doctor that refines its diagnoses with every patient interaction. A self-driving car that adapts to road conditions in milliseconds. A financial AI that detects fraud as it happens, rather than after the fact. This is real-time AI, where intelligence is no longer static but fluid, dynamic, and ever-evolving. To make this possible, AI systems will need streaming data pipelines that process new information instantly, self-updating models that do not require manual retraining, adaptive reasoning that allows AI to modify its behavior based on real-world feedback. Real-time AI will not just respond to the present, it will anticipate the future, evolving at the same speed as the world itself. The ethical horizon. Aligning AI with human values. As AI grows more powerful, the way data is collected, used, and shared will shape not just AI itself, but the societies it influences. The future of AI development must prioritize transparency. Users should know how AI learns and what data it uses. Fairness. AI must be trained on diverse and representative datasets to prevent bias. Privacy. AI should process data without compromising individual security. But beyond ethics, the future of data in AI is about something even greater: alignment with human values. If AI is to be a true partner to humanity, it must learn from not just our data, but our wisdom. It must be guided by principles that go beyond optimization, toward a future where intelligence is not just advanced, but aligned with the best of what humanity has to offer. Because in the end, the way we shape AI's data today will shape the intelligence that shapes us tomorrow. That's the end of this lesson on future trends in data for AI. If you want to learn more about how I, as an AI, learn, grow, and evolve, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the next video.